Are you tired of feeling out of breath after just a few minutes of exercise? Want to improve your stamina fast without spending hours in the gym? Today, I'm going to show you a simple, effective workout that will boost your endurance, energy, and overall performance, all in the comfort of your home or anywhere you like. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to increase your stamina, whether it's for running, sports, or just everyday life, this workout will transform your endurance in just a few weeks. The best part, you don't need any fancy equipment, just your body and a bit of motivation. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why stamina is so important. Stamina is the ability of your body to sustain physical activity over time. The higher your stamina, the more energy you'll have for workouts, sports, and even daily tasks. Improving your stamina also boosts your metabolism, strengthens your heart and lungs, and helps you stay healthier and more active. This workout focuses on simple bodyweight exercises that target multiple muscle groups, while also challenging your cardiovascular system. We'll combine cardio bursts, strength movements, and dynamic intervals to keep your heart rate up and improve your endurance fast. Here's what we'll do. Jumping jacks, 1 minute high knees, 45 seconds, push-ups, 30 seconds, mountain climbers, 45 seconds, squat jumps, 30 seconds, plank hold, 30 seconds. We'll repeat this circuit 3 times with 30-60 seconds of rest in between each round. Exercise demonstration. Show proper form with tips for beginners and variations. 1. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump and spread your legs while raising your arms above your head. Then jump back to start. Keep your core tight and land softly to protect your knees. 2. High knees. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Pump your arms for extra intensity. This boosts your heart rate and improves lower body endurance. 3. Push-ups. Place your hands shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor. Then push back up. Modify by dropping your knees if needed. 4. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position. Drive your knees toward your chest, alternating legs as fast as you can. This works your core and shoulders while giving a cardio boost. 5. Squat jumps. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Squat down, then explode upward into a jump. Land softly and repeat. This strengthens your legs and glutes while increasing stamina. 6. Plank hold. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and breathe steadily. This improves core endurance and overall stability. Perform this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Warm up for 3 to 5 minutes before starting. Focus on form over speed. Quality beats quantity. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with healthy meals. Track your progress by timing your circuits. Try to improve each week. By sticking to this routine, you'll notice increased energy and endurance, better cardiovascular health, stronger muscles and core, improved performance in sports or daily activities, faster recovery times between exercises. It's amazing how a simple, consistent routine can make such a big difference in just a few weeks. Remember, stamina doesn't come overnight. It comes from consistent effort and dedication. Challenge yourself, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. If you liked this workout, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share this video with friends who want to boost their stamina fast. Don't forget to comment below and tell me which exercise you found the most challenging. I love reading your feedback. Thanks for watching. Stay active, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video for another workout that takes your fitness to the next level.